What's up, YouTube? Coming at you guys back with another video. I'm happy to be back. I know it has been a little bit since my last video, but I appreciate everyone tuning in, and I am like I said, very happy to be back with a new video. And with this video, guys, just going to give a quick little recap on what's been going on and what to look forward to in the future with the channel. Just want to make a quick statement. I just hope everybody is being safe during this time as well. So like I said, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys are enjoying the content and you guys enjoy Civic Type R content, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys can see when my future videos will be uploaded. And if you guys like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button. It goes a long way for the channel, and it shows me that you guys are liking the content that I'm creating. So in regards to the channel, I just want to let you guys know that I have recently temporarily relocated to Houston, Texas. Houston is where I am from. Some of you may know that. But I live in Las Vegas, but like I said, I just temporarily came back home. Just showing you guys a clip of my car as it was being shipped from Las Vegas to Houston. So I was super excited to have my car here in town. Like I said, why I am here temporarily. Some of the cars that my car was shipped with are pretty awesome, with the older Porsche and the Lamborghini Urus. So it was really cool to see those cars up close and in person as well. And like I said, just super excited to have my car here with me in Texas as well. Have some really big plans. I'll be discussing with you guys here shortly what those plans are, but just here's a look at some of those vehicles that my car was transported with. Another thing that I did notice was that the gas prices are pretty cheap, maybe about 75 cents to $1 cheaper than what they were in Las Vegas. And also with the opportunity to run 93 octane, I'm super excited to do that as well, as I have some future plans on what I'm going to be doing with the car, and that having that kind of octane available does not hinder those plans. So excited for that as well. I also had the chance to link up with my dad in his Corvette Z06. This is the first time that both of our cars have been in the same city, so that we were able to link up. He has a drone channel, and we were able to link up and get some footage for his channel, as well as cruise around and at the dike. And here you can see us just cruising around that side of town as well. So super fun trying to chase a Z06, if that's what you want to call it. So some of the plans that I have for my car are, I have the Mugen front and side pieces. I also brought my downpipe, turbo inlet pipe, and intercooler charge pipes, looking to get all of those pieces installed, as well as some new brake pads and a nice engine dress-up piece from Jay's Racing. So super excited to get all of those pieces installed and bring you guys along the ride to see those. And last but not least, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Team FK8 Houston. I've been in contact with this group. These guys have really embraced me as if I was always a member. Everybody's been super nice, super cool. We've had some cruises, some hangouts. I'll be sure to make some videos or show some footage from those things as well. But like I said, just huge shout out to the group. Like I said, everybody's been super nice. I really appreciate the hospitality. And with that, guys, just wanted to put this video out there so you guys know what to expect coming up with my car and the channel. And like I said, just big shout out to the Team FK8 Houston group here, and shout out to everybody who watches the channel. I super appreciate it. And like I said, guys, we got some really exciting things coming up, so stay tuned for that. And with that, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this video. Until next time, I'm out.